Welcome to the title change request training video for the Settlor application. Of course, an email can be used to send a request to make changes to a commitment. Settlor has a tool built into the application that allows closing staff to communicate change requests from directly within the order dashboard. Let's look at an example file where closing has obtained the trust agreement and wants title to review it to see if it satisfies an item on the Schedule B1 requirements. On the order dashboard, click the Create Title Request button. The Title Requests window will open. Here we can create a new title request. Notice at the bottom of the window you can see previously created requests. Click the drop-down arrow beside the title request type and choose the appropriate request type. For this example, we are going to select Review Document Uploaded. For this to work, closing must have already uploaded the document to the file. Use the Request Info field to add comments about the request. Then we will look for the document by clicking the Closing Documents bar. Documents uploaded under the Closing Documents area will show in this expanded area. Select the one to attach to the request, then click Submit. Back on the order dashboard, you can see there is one title request. Up until now, this has mostly been work done by the closing team. Once a request is submitted, it is either sent to a title change request queue, or to the title team's email box. Whether they access the file from the title request queue or a link in their email, title folks are taken to the commitment dashboard. A new area on the commitment dashboard shows outstanding title requests. The request contains everything that was entered by the closing team. So for this request to review a document, click the linked document to review. Then make whatever changes are needed to the commitment. Once you have completed the change requested, including sending out a revised commitment if that was involved, then you can click Resolve Request. Note, if there are multiple outstanding requests, and you complete them all, you can resolve everything in queue instead of clicking Resolve Request for each one. The Title Requests area is now cleared. And back on the Title Request window, should closing go into create a new request, you can see that the previous request was resolved. There is also the ability to create the second half of a hold open file. On the order dashboard, closing will click the Create Hold Open button. On the Create New Hold Open pop-up window, you can select second half or deferred loan. For this example, we are creating the second half of a hold open. At the top of the screen, we are alerted that there was no hold open service fee on the first half file. If that half has not closed, a hold open fee will be added. If the first half has closed, the hold open service fee will be added to this new file. Complete all of the information for the second half transaction and press Save Changes. You will notice that the file number now has a .1. This indicates it is a second half file for a hold open transaction. Title will complete the second half file by working through the same commitment creation process as usual. Finally, the title change request types are maintained by your system administrator. Should new request types be needed, it is easy to create them. Thank you for watching.